Oh my god, the connector is broken again.
Stupid! Don't do it again. You can use this. Hello everyone, I'm Jeanette. Welcome to my channel. Huawei SC-ABC Field Assembly Fast Connector has an IP68 waterproof rating. It is a durable fiber connector. It supports to 5.0mm one cable, 3.0mm one cable, and 2.0 by 3.0mm flat drop cable. This fiber connector is designed to simplify connection without the need for fusion splicer. Only conventional fiber preparation tool, cable stripping tool, and fiber cleaner required for quick assembly. If you want to know more information, please contact us. See you next time. Bye.